This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing here. Alright, flatten all these piles using as few blocks as possible. Yikes. So it's stairs, but they look... Alright, so I have one block here and I can use up to 10. I'm just going to start throwing stuff down for testing. Looks like I'll move forward twice, and it's a pile of dirt, so I don't want to fill. I'll remove it, and then, what do? I turn left, and then move forward. Move forward. There's no dirt there. So then let me turn right, I guess. And then what? And move forward. Move forward. Ooh, I hate these. We don't know how much dirt's there. See the question mark? I don't know. I'll remove one, I guess. And then turn left. Again, I'm going fast. I'm just throwing down code to test. All right, let's see. Move forward, good. Remove, yep. Turn, yep. Forward, forward, turn, yep. Forward, forward, remove, yep. Turn and forward. Oh, that time it was only one. Is it always going to be? That looks right. See, they change it. Okay, first let's look for a pattern, because I'm already over on blocks. What can we repeat here? Well, it looks like, do I move forward twice every time? I do. So what if I did this instead of this? Ooh. Wait a minute. Okay. Actually, let me leave that for a sec. I move forward twice, and then what do? I remove some dirt. Now, it's one, then we don't know how much, and then three. So, instead of doing this, since I don't know how much and it differs each time, what if I do that block we saw earlier with while there's dirt? Or as long as there's a pile, right? As long as there's a pile of dirt, I'm going to want to remove it. I'm going to get rid of this for now. Then what do? Well, then I'm going to turn left. So move forward twice. As long as there's dirt there, remove it. And what this is asking a question. I'm asking the computer, hey, is there a pile of dirt? The computer can say either true or false. Or 1 for true, 0 for false, binary. If it's true, if I'm standing on some dirt here, I will go ahead and it checks right now. Boom. I'll remove it. If that is true, I remove the dirt. Then it hits the bottom, goes back to the top, and I'm going to check again. Is there dirt? Hint, there's not, because I just removed it. So while there's a pile is now false, and then we would turn left. Ta-da! Okay, so that's looking good. Well, then what am I going to do? Well, I guess I'm going to move forward 2, and then what? Looks like a right turn to me. And then what? Move forward 2, and I have some random amount of dirt, so I'll use this one again. As long as there's a pile of dirt, go ahead and remove it. Okay, then what? Did I turn already? Nope. Okay, so let me turn again. And I think that's going to be a left turn. Move forward 2. I'm way over on blocks, but this really helps to visualize it. And I'm going to do a right turn. Then what? Move forward 2, I think. Ugh, so much. Then what? I think I'll be at a pile of dirt. Who knows? I might be wrong because I should have tested this already. But whatever. Quacha. Okay, let's see where I go. Move. Yep. Pile. Remove. Yep. Remove. Yep. Remove. Yep. And then what? Well, I think... yeah, definitely not. Whoops. It took me on. We are not done. Look how much code I'm using. So, let me look at this. Let's look for some repeated code here, because we should not be using this much. Move forward twice, pile, turn left, move forward twice, turn right. And I bet I was about to do that same thing. So 1, 2, 3 times, we don't need that. Goodbye and goodbye. Oh, and goodbye. What's really neat about this one, though, is I can already see there's going to be more than one way to solve it. So let me do that 3 times and drop this in. Let's check this way out. And we did it. But wait, that way would be correct. However, let's say you wanted to use more repeats. So instead of that, I could do a as long as there is a path ahead, move forward here. The reason I didn't do this initially is this doesn't technically save us blocks, because while there's path ahead counts as 1 block and move forward counts as 1 block. So doing move forward twice counts as 2 blocks, and doing this counts as 2 blocks. But it is correct also. You can definitely do it this way. The other one asks the computer less questions, so if this programming was more advanced, might be more efficient. Let's try this way though. Awesome. Champions, onward.